6 years, we will be at a point where we will have all the latest technology that will help us to be able to truly cover the island, truly get instant updates, and be able to respond quickly. So it is a work in progress, but you would get a very high grade in terms of how I see you have performed, and I'm certain how the rest of the Jamaica will see that you have performed. The retest is going to come, however, when the hurricane has passed, and the public is going to be judging us on the speed of the response. So we've done so far very well on the informationalization of the public. We started very early. We gave the public information. We pointed them in the direction of legitimate, accurate information, official information. All the channels were open. So there's no one who could say they were not aware or they didn't know.